Yun po yung second issue.
Ito po, ang huling topic natin, mga kababayan, yung kay Akop, no? Yung kay Akop, mga bossing, na, kumbaga, ayaw aminin yung tungkol sa reward system. Pero at the end of the, conversation nila, parang medyo madulas-dulas na po, mga kababayan. No? Dahil nga daw po, may nare-receive na pressure. Yan yung sinasabi ko kanina sa inyo na, pagka yung kulang pa yung kanilang quota, kulang pa yung numero nila, mga kababayan, kagaya niyan, tataniman. O tapos punta ka dun sa presinto, i-surrender mo yan. Yung pala, pagdating sa presinto, sila na yung sila na yung suspect, o sila na yung ikukulong pala. Panoorin niyo po ito, mga boss.
Okay. Now, on the issue of quota, sabi po ninyo, wala pong quota. Would that be correct? Yun po yung second issue ni Honorable Barbers
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, sir, I will be speaking in my capacity as during the time of the Duterte administration, the drug war, sir, I was the chief of police. I could say, in all honesty,
yan pong nagsasalita, mga kababayan, si Jean Fajardo.
Sir, there was no quota given to us. Let's say, in a week, dapat meron kang arrest na 5 o may killed ka na. There was no...
Paano pag wala? Mga boss, paano kapag wala kang aresto nun dahil mapayapa yung lugar na nasasakupan mo? Kailangan kumuha ka. Kailangan maghanap ka. Diba? Kapag walang-wala talaga, yari ka. Yan. Diyan mga kababayan, sablay yan. Yang quota system na yan. Biruin mo, pipilitin mo yung sarili mo na makakuha. Dahil kapag hindi ka nakakuha ng huhulihin, nako, mangyari? Lagot ka.
Written whatsoever, even verbal instruction to us to come up with a number of arrests in a week's time. However, probably, sir, some of the station who were really at the height of their career, sir, would like to impress their superiors and deliver some accomplishment. Probably, sir, the pressure is really there during that time to deliver
may pressure, di ba?
Accomplishment. But in all honesty, sir, yung quota, sir, there was no specific policy given to us, either written or verbal, sir. At least, sa personal kong experience, sir, as during my time as COP and even my time during provincial director, sir.
Thank you. So, you only speak for yourself when you were a chief of police. Now, may I know, doon sa implementation ng O-Plan Double Barrel, the first aspect is O-Plan Tokhang. Hindi ba kasama doon sa pagre-report ninyo, sa accomplishment report, yung mga nagiging chief of police or station commanders before, ay kailangan may matokhang kayo na number of houses?
That is correct, sir.
Paano pag wala, O sige, pulot ka na lang dyan, dampot ka na lang dyan, humanap ka nung papayat-payat. Sama natin sa tokhang yan. Pero inosente. Di ba?
When we speak, sir, of the number of tokhang conducted, sir, the chief of police were required to submit reports. How many houses, how many drug users were visited and undergone tokhang, sir. That I could confirm, sir.
And totoo ba yung na sa isang buwan ay dapat meron kayong 50 households na matokhang?
50 na matokhang.
Sir, during my time, wala, sir, ganun, sir, na dapat. Depende po kasi yun, sir. Kasi, sir, yung magiging subject po, sir, ng house visitation will depend on the number of drug personalities reported by the BADAC. So, hindi po talaga yung efforts na i-exert, sir, ng particular station probably might differ dun sa ibang mas maraming drug personalities. So, wala po talagang specific numbers given to us po, sir.
Okay. Granting without accepting your proposition or your statement, is it not also correct na yun po ay basehan ng pagpropromote po ninyo ng inyong mga tauhan?
Like I said, Mr. Chair, Your Honor, earlier, sir, na nandun yung pressure definitely, sir, for the station commanders to deliver accomplishment. So probably, sir, that really triggers the intention to really deliver accomplishment in terms of arrest and probably of some...
So indirectly, nagkakaroon po sa kaisipan ng inyong mga membro, nagkakaroon po ng kaisipan na dapat ma-reach ko yung quota. Kasi
Correct.
pasikatan na sila nagpaparamihan. Would that be correct?
Possibly, sir. Possibly, sir.
Possibly. So, Honorable Barbers, that I think answers your two issues raised.
May quota talaga, mga kababayan. At yan po ang talagang dudurog, no? Sa dating Pangulong Duterte, kasama po doon sa mga tao na nag-utos din sa mga kapulisan. Kasama po doon, kasama yung mga tao na, ay Diyos ko, nakakapanlambot mga bossing, no? Ako talaga, sasabihin ko sa inyo, isa ako doon sa sumisigaw ng Duterte dati. Pero nung nalalaman ko na po, itong mga ganitong mga pangyayari, sabi ko, wait lang, isa akong Katoliko. Hindi naman ganun ang utos sa Katoliko. Pro-life nga po tayong lahat, mga kababayan. No? Sabi ko, wait lang, aatras na ako, tatalikod na ako ng pagsuporta dito. Lalong-lalo na ho, mga bossing, nung inumpisahan nila na birahin po, banatan ng walang katotohanan ang ating Pangulo ngayon. Sabi ni Just Vincent, dating pulis, si Congressman Acop, kaya alam niya yan. Sabi ni Just Vincent ulit, ayan, umitim na at nangamoy na yung tubig kanal noong naligo siya dahil polluted. Naku, ano yan? Ano na yan? Anyway, mga boss, chief, amo, sir, no, may gagawin pa ako Meron pa akong mga tatrabahuhin po, mga bossing. Magkita-kita po tayo bukas ng umaga, no? Alas 9 ng umaga. Sabi ni Bato, Bongo at Sara kasama rin. Oh, baka unti-unting mga magtaguyan. Anyway, maraming salamat po and God bless po sa ating lahat, mga boss, chief, amo, sir, madam.